Hey everyone, welcome back to Quick Tweaks. Today I'm going to share a video on a totally different topic, the tour of our 1 BHK apartment in Sioux Falls, USA. And along the way I'm also going to share the details of the DIY home decor items that I made to decorate the apartment. This is the view of the apartment complex from our building corridor. In this apartment we stayed for almost 6 years. Recently we have moved out, and that is why before leaving I wanted to shoot a tour of this place, which will always remain close to our hearts. This is the main door to the apartment. The nameplate is handmade, as you can tell. I have used rainbow popsicle sticks for the background on a base of chalkboard, and the letters are the initials of our names. And I got the letters from the craft section of Walmart, but you can also do it yourself using cardboards. Right after entering into the apartment, there is the nice spacious kitchen. I loved the open kitchen structure in this apartment, which let me watch TV while doing dishes or chat with my husband or guests while cooking at the same time. There were sufficient number of cabinets in the kitchen, and I never had to really struggle to find things, as I always used to maintain designated doors for different items. I won't say that I could keep it super organized, but the kitchen setup that we did was definitely quite functional. For example, I used this cabinet for the spices or masala, as this door was easily accessible while cooking. As you can see, I used 3-tier cabinet organizing racks for the masala boxes, making them clearly visible here. This is our pantry section. We used to keep all the grab and go snacks items and breakfast items in this cabinet. These are the fridge magnets that we collected as souvenirs during our trips to different places. This is the living cum dining area. We have used the kitchen bar counter to decorate and display small show pieces and shot glasses that we collected from different places. This birdcage showpiece that I displayed on the side table is one of my favorites, and it was gifted by one of my friends. She got the cage structure from the market and customized and decorated it using pictures, tiny lamp chains, 3D stickers and flowers. In the TV unit, you will see a DIY lamp that I made using wooden clothespin, glue gun and lamp chain. It was a really fun and easy project to make, but it turned out amazing. This is my tiny living room greenery section. This portion used to get direct sunlight even during the winters, which is why I decided to place the plant pots in this area. In this entire apartment, we tried to use minimum number of furnitures to keep the floor space wide and open, and another reason was that we knew that we were staying in this apartment temporarily only for few years. Now let me give a tour of the bedroom. We kept the setup really simple here as well. Instead of having headboard behind the bed, I decorated the wall using this DIY wall hanging piece, and I have used a real branch of tree as the base of this wall hanging piece, and it was really easy and quick to make. By the time I shot this tour video, I had already started packing the things. That is why I could not show you the walk-in closet properly and my cosmetic collections either. However, if you want to watch that as well, please let me know in the comment section and I can do a separate video on that. And I hope you enjoyed this tour of our apartment. See you soon in my next video. Until then, goodbye.